Hello everybody, and welcome to the video notes for Unit 5, Day 9. Today we are continuing our work with finding the median. Today's video is dedicated to Abigail in 6B. Hi Abigail. Yesterday we learned that the median is the same thing as the middle number. So the median is the middle number. And to find the median, the first step is to list the numbers from least to greatest, and then we can find the middle number. So before we look at step 3, let's just think about steps 1 and 2, and let's do this part right here together. If there's an odd number of numbers. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, so that's an odd number. We're going to list this from least to greatest. We have a 2, and then another 2, and then a 5, 9, and then a 15. The middle number is going to be right here, the 5. You can imagine drawing a line through that number. And you would have 2 numbers to the left of it and 2 numbers to the right of it. That's how you know it's right in the middle. So the median is 5. Sorry for the coughing, guys. Now here, let's start to think through what happens if we have an even number of numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. 6 is an even number. Let's list the numbers from least to greatest. So we have 6, 14, 15, 16. And you notice there's no number that's easily right in the middle, right? Because if we want to have an even split, whatever the median should be would be whatever number goes right here in the middle. So that's why if there's an even number of numbers, in order to find the median, we have to find the average of the middle 2 numbers. Sorry, out of space here. We have to find the average of the middle 2 numbers. So, to find the average between 14 and 15, we have to add them up. And then divide by how many numbers there are. So there's 2 numbers, so we divide it by 2. (14 plus 15 is 29. 29 divided by 2 is 14.5. So the median, the number that would be right in the middle, is 14.5. How many numbers are less than 14.5? 1, 2, 3. How many numbers are more than 14.5? 1, 2, 3. So that's how we know it's right in the middle. Now that I've done this one, you're going to pause and try this one on your own, right here. These 3. So pause and try these 3. Let's check our work. Let's list them from least to greatest. We have 2, 9. Oops, a 5. Sorry, I forgot the 5. 2, 5. 10, 14, 21, 30, 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even number. The median would be right here, right in the middle. So it's the average between 10 and 14. What number is between 10 and 14? 10 plus 14 divided by 2. That's 24 divided by 2, which is 12. So our median is 12. How many numbers are less than 12? 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 12? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 3 gold stars if you got that on your own. Now we're going to practice finding the median from a dot plot. Mr. Andrew put the grades on a science test for one of his classes below. So each of these dots represents 1 score on the test. How many data values are represented on this dot plot above? So what you have to do is count how many dots are there in this graph. Let's do that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There are 28 dots on this graph. So that's like 28 scores on this test. And remember, the median should split this in half. So you can think, what is half of 28? Or what is 28 divided by 2? It's going to be 14. So 14 should be less than the median or above the median, and 14 should be below. Right? And let's count out 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the 14 dots right here. So you know that the median is going to be between the 14th dot and the 15th dot. So which is between 80 and 85. So you can find the average between 80 and 85, and that's going to be your median right here. I'll let you do this last part on your own. When you are done with this part right here, you can raise your hand to get your check. The secret word for today is science, just like you see here. The secret word is science. And with that,
thank you so much for playing my game.